In this video, I want to show you how I would do tag research using TubeBuddy, which is a paid tool, but you see on there pricing, it's not very expensive. I have the Legend account, but you can get away with a cheaper account, it's fine. And I want to show you how to do this from an absolutely new channel and a new video that has not been launched. So here's this new channel, 0 subscribers. And when I click on content, I'm going to walk you through how I do the research for this video. It hasn't been published yet. You see 0 views, 0 comments, nothing. So I'm going to go in there and I'm going to tell you what the video is about, because obviously you have to know what the video is about in order to have the tag research make sense. It's a song about, you know, that famous painting, The Girl with the Pearl Earring. I'll show you the Wikipedia page for that. And there was a famous movie with Scarlett Johansson. Right here, here's the kind of like the trailer image. You see that she's a very famous actress. And that's the famous iconic painting by Johannes Vermeer. A lot of people know it. Some people don't know it. But this painting is really cool because this woman is very striking and it's very mysterious. It's not clear if she's turning towards the viewer or away from the viewer. It's not clear if she's happy or if she's sad. If you look deeper into it, there's more questions than answers. And so because it's very easy to get enamored with this painting, I wrote kind of an upbeat song, kind of a joking song about like falling in love with this girl. Obviously, it's a painting, so it's just for fun. But that's the idea. Now, part of my planning for this, and nobody knows whether I'll achieve it as I'm taping this because this has not been launched. I'm filming this literally like a day or two before I'm going to launch it. So in this video, you see I have a lot of tags. And of course, some of them have the words like Girl with a Pearl Earring, Scarlett Johansson, because obviously people search for her and she's very popular. Here I have a tag like Scarlett Johansson. Then maybe somehow YouTube will start recommending my video next to those videos for people who have that interest. But you can use a tool like TubeBuddy to get a better idea of which tags may be better. So for example, here they give you many potential tags, far more than you can use. Obviously, and you would want to use all of them, but you have a limit of 500 characters, so you have to decide which ones. And you see some of these have a score, and we can look at what the score is. So the score isn't traffic or ranking, because obviously this is not live yet. We're not ranking for anything. So the score is something that TubeBuddy calculates. It's a tag score. We can click on it and this keyword explorer comes in. Maybe we should actually click on one that I want to use. And so let's say I want to use one that's Dutch painting. We can add that tag, but before I add it, let's actually get a tag score. So we're going to click on that and it's going to think a little bit. And you see it has a score of 12, which is not the lowest it could be, but pretty low. And then the question becomes, well, like, what does that score mean? There's a weighted score and unweighted score. So the score is a little bit different. You see, it actually explains it to you here. It's a little bit small, so I'll read it to you. Unweighted, which is the good score. That's a general score for how good this keyword is to target based on just search volume and competition only. The weighted score, that includes other factors that have to do with your specific channel. In this case, my assumption would be that it's just not that relevant, because it really isn't that relevant. You know, it's a Dutch painting, but it's not really a Dutch painting. It's a song about a Dutch painting, and it's not just any Dutch painting. It's a specific one. Anyway, it's a little bit far. It's not relevant, and that's why for us it would be poor. So what we can do is look at relevance, because relevance is important, because, you know, if we say that, you know, socks is a great keyword, but it's totally not relevant, well, we're not going to rank for socks and we're not going to get recommended. We're not going to trick YouTube. So we should look at relevance. So like mystery paintings. Yeah, okay, this one is kind of mysterious. Let's look at it. And the weighted score for us is good based on our channel. And you can kind of see the competition level here, like you versus top ranked videos. Okay, obviously I have 0 views now, but the top one has like 500,000, but some other ones have about 14,000. So I'll have a ways to go here, but I could consider using that if I don't find any better keyword. So for now, since I have some space, I could add that mystery paintings. Let's add that. So I just added that. You see it appears right here. Save. Note that none of this would be possible with the free version. With the free version, they just give you like 3 suggestions for keywords, and then you can use them or not, but you don't get any more suggestions and you don't get this explorer. Whereas, let's say you get something interesting like girl with a pearl earring song. So what I can actually do is I can click on any of these and I don't have to use this. I can actually start with girl with a pearl earring, and then of course you get ideas. None of these are song, okay? Because what I need is song because it's a little unique. There's obviously a popular movie about this, but my thing is a song. Okay, song. Explore, and when we explore, it's going to pull up results. So both weighted and unweighted are actually pretty good, and I already have that in my tags. The problem is competition is going to be pretty difficult, but I can actually explore this and go to video topics and see, is there something similar? So like in video topics, okay, there's girl with a pearl earring music. Maybe that's asking for like music from that movie, but okay, I'll add that because it's still close enough. Now I have too many tags here, so I have to take out something. And what I would do is I would be like, okay, what should I take out? Maybe song about a painting. If I double click it, I can say song about a painting and it will bring up that explorer and it likes it for me. And we can always look at common tags, just browse through them, see if you get any good ideas. And if you wonder, well, how do search results look like? You don't have to actually go and search. You can actually click on this tab results and you can see, okay, there's this painter song by somebody. I don't know, Nora Jones. Sounds a little bit familiar, but I don't know. Then some kids things. Then this is not even a song. And so the relevance goes down really quickly. So I may have a chance to rank. I'm not sure. It feels like it's logical that I would have a chance to rank because my song is about a painting and all of these are not really. And lastly, what I want to do is try, there's a competitor video right here, very popular, why this painting is considered a masterpiece. I really want to rank there. This one has like 5 million views right now. You see there's a lot of stuff next to this one about the girl with the pearl earring. I want one of these to be mine, or at least next to one of these to be mine. So what I can do is something interesting. I can say something like girl with the pearl earring masterpiece. You see, and it gives me these tags. So I can be kind of sneaky here and add one of them. They're both for the same video because the person making them is this James Earl. So I can add James Earl. Of course, now I have to take out a bunch of other tags, but I definitely want to get recommended next to that video. And so that's what I would do. I decided to just try adding those tags to my videos so that I can target that specific video. So now I have branded tags. I have tags based on other brands like Scarlett Johansson, that movie, the painting itself, then popular videos in this genre, etc. I'm going to save that. And then so now I have a lot of tags that give me a chance to get recommended next to many other potential videos. So that's the kind of an upgrade in the quality of your tag research. That's what you get if you use a paid tool versus just guessing for free.